All right, ma'am, you are Ashley Brousard, and Ms. Broussard's case in cause number 25 DCCR 0175 is set for jury selection to begin next Monday. And what is the announcement?
Great. Just for the record, Your Honor, she has refused to serve an offer for probation.
Okay. And so let me look real quick. What is that, a new offer that was relayed today, or she's already done that?
Rejected back in June of last year.
Okay, so Ms. Broussard, your case is set for trial for next week. There will not be any plea agreements after today. Do you understand? And you want to go forward with your trial. All right, so I will number the cases tomorrow after the docket. Stay in touch with Mr. Kimmler, and he will let you know the trial order, but we'll see you likely next Monday, okay? All right, you're free to go. Good morning. Are you Remington Boyin? And Mr. Boyin is charged with tampering with a governmental record in cause number 25 DCCR 0396. And Mr. Gertz, what is the announcement?
Judge, we're working through discovery on this. He has a pending case in Hardin County as well that we're working through. In an ideal world, we might be able to get some kind of global deal done, but we're not anywhere near that yet. So this is the, I would say, less aggressive of the cases that he's facing right now. So
You do know that I'm not going to wait on Hardin County.
I know that you're not going to wait on Hardin County, but I'm asking for a little
Okay.
bit of leash because
Yes.
of that. If I could have it, please.
Any issues?
Not on this case, Your Honor.
All right, we'll do a normal reset. Mr. Boyin, make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Gertz. He'll let you know when your next court date is. You're free to go. Chad Cracknell.
You don't want to stay there, Mike.
Good morning, Mr. Jamel. That could be fun.
That's the, yeah.
Please,
Please
raise your right hand.
Yes.
All right, are you Chad Cracknell? Yes. Mr. Cracknell's case is set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. I have a feeling I know the
Yes.
issue.
I will tell you, I got, and I don't know if something's changed because Mr. Nichols is standing here, but I got an indication from Mr. Hoffpower before the holiday that there might be something new in the pipe for resolving this case, but I don't know what it is. It was just kind of a passing comment.
upstairs?
He is, and I asked him earlier if he knew what he said that he thought they might be able to work it out. I think they just need to talk.
Yeah. And
So that's the time to do that's before today.
sure. No question, but I think I got an indication from him that he had something new but didn't have it ready, and I just haven't heard from him about what that would be. So
Can you ask him if he can run down real quick and just
Yeah, sure.
give us a
I
status
sure
on that
will.
one? Let me hold it for a
'Cause
minute,
it's-
so I want to make sure we're,
it's something we would be willing to resolve, as you
Right.
know, what
Sure.
the issues are in this case. But
Okay.
But I got the sense that it would, if it changed materially where we were talking about, that could potentially give us a resolution.
all right, so let me hold it and we'll get him
If
to
you don't
come
mind.
down just for a sec. I know he's getting ready for trial, but we'll get him to come down just for a minute and see if there's something that you guys can visit with quickly. If not, maybe we'll just do a couple of weeks or
Okay,
something.
thank you, Judge.
If y'all can just have a seat for a few minutes.
We can't be excused.
Good morning, you're Jiren Crane. And Mr. Crane has 23 DCCR 1082 charged with evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. 23 DCCR 1406 charged with aggravated robbery. And 23 DCCR 2233 also charged with aggravated robbery. What is the announcement?
Judge, we took over this case from Mr. Lewis in,
Let's see that.
I think mid-November or something to that effect. So we'd asked for one resetting so I can meet with Mr. Crane and talk with him about the discovery and the allegations and discuss also with Ms. Malfino a potential resolution.
Ms. Malfino?
And Judge, if you recall, the co-defendant, Mr. St. Clair, in this case, we've gone back and forth. In light of new counsel now on board, I'd like to have the opportunity and ask the court's permission to revisit the issues that came up with Mr. Lewis to see where that puts me in the position with Mr. St. Clair, so I'm not in objection to any reset.
So I'll do a normal reset, and I know that you are new to the case, newer to the case, but the cases are
It ain't
very old.
I gotcha.
And so I'm going to kind of hold you to a little different standard on this one just because it's time for everybody to figure where we are on
And I've
these.
also reached out over the holiday to Mr. West, reiterating a discovery compliance certificate, et cetera, and inviting him for the opportunity to maybe sit down and talk about that one last time in light of Mr. Gertz now being involved.
Okay.
And so I will do my best to try to wrap up, that would be about 7 or 8 cases. all
Sure.
at once.
Okay, sounds good. We'll just do normal reset and see where we get. Stay in touch with Mr. Gertz. You'll need to visit with him once he gets everything he needs from the Assistant District Attorney before that next court date. All right, you're free to go.
Set up a meeting, okay? Okay, stay out of trouble, please.
Larry